I'm now going to show you the process of SoulCollage so that you can make a card with your animal and also put all of your messages as well on the card. So as we begin, here are the steps. The healing image and images that are called to you are very critical in making these soul cards. So what you want to do is gather images from many sources, magazines, images that call to you, and keep them and put them somewhere so that they'll be all ready for you when you do this process. So go ahead and pull out that container now of your favorite images. In addition to images that you find, you will also need SoulCollage supplies, such as the actual cards, glue, a scissors, and some colored pens. It is easy to get an entire SoulCollage supply pack. They're easy to find if you go to your internet, and they are also inexpensive. Join me now for a healing journey so that you can hear the voice of your heart. So to begin this journey, find a comfortable place to sit, and you can just put my voice on so that you can journey with me. So to begin, what I'd like you to do is close your eyes and go ahead now and allow yourself to relax, taking 3 deep breaths. Breathing in through your nose, breathing out through the center of your lips. So with each breath, you will become more and more relaxed and go even deeper with every breath you take. And now allow yourself to feel any tension anywhere in your body to just slip away, to just go out of your body. Breathing and relaxing, going deeper and deeper. And now, what I'd like you to do is I would like you to imagine a beautiful white light of healing energy at the very top part of your head, working through your facial muscles to your neck muscles, down into your shoulders, moving now into your chest, and feeling any of the burdens that you are carrying just slipping away with every passing moment. Just breathing and relaxing. And today's journey is focused on your heart. Our hearts are a wonderful place of wisdom. And as you enter this deep space with yourself, this relaxed space where your intuition lives, your inner guidance and wisdom has an inner gift it wants to share with you. So now allow that energy to go very deep into your heart, and a beautiful golden light will surround it, streaming into your heart. Just allow that light to now reveal a very special animal that lives deep inside this heart center So now stay alert, watching and listening. You may hear or feel its presence. So let that animal become clearer and clearer. And if no animal shows up right away, stay open, waiting and watching. And if several animals come in, let them show themselves until one of them seems to be the primary one living there. So if there are several animals, you can always look at them in the eyes and say, "Is this your home?" And see if you hear a yes or a no until you find the animal that lives deep inside your heart center. So now, as you see that animal, whether or not it's flying or crawling or swimming or even walking, I'd like you to experience that animal. So go ahead now, and as you're experiencing that animal, feel it with every cell of your body. And this is the most important time with your animal, because this is where you're going to receive your gift. Go ahead now and ask that animal, what does that animal want to give you? And then go ahead and ask that animal, what do you want from me? And finally, what symbolic gift can this animal give you so that you can take this gift wherever you go, so that you can remember the message? And now, as you've received this wonderful gift, give your deepest gratitude to that animal and let it know that you will return one time again soon. And any time it wants to speak to you, you are open to receive further messages. So just now, take a moment blessing that animal for the wonderful gift that you have received today. And now, 0 always takes you deeper. Coming up to 1, feeling the room around you. 2, feeling that total balance of mind, body, and spirit. 3, feeling peaceful and calm. 4, feeling more energy. And 5, eyes open, wide awake, wide awake. And now that you have completed this meditation, I want you to reach for a paper and pen and write the messages that you have received today. And as you see, there are images here. So go ahead and choose the image that best suits your animal and your message. In my next video on SoulCollage, please join me and Christy, who will show you her card and how she put it together.